Hey guys, in this video I want to show you my 3D printed money clip. I needed a simple money clip that can hold cards as well as some cash, and most of the money clips I've seen only has one clip, so I designed this one with a double clip. So I created this one in SketchUp and then I printed this on my DaVinci 1.0 3D printer. This money clip is actually a very simple design and easy to print on almost any 3D printer, and it took about 30 minutes at 0.20 layer height with ABS filament. ABS is a very strong and durable plastic used to make most things, and that's the type of filament I prefer printing with my 3D printer. So I always carry a little bit of cash with me, so this is the side I put my paper money in, and on this side I'm going to add about 5 cards. I typically carry like an ID card, credit card, and a debit card. But for this example, I have a couple of gift cards as well, and it brings it up to 5. But I can probably fit up to 8 cards using this clip. It's also very easy to pull out the cards that you want to use and slot them back in. I used to carry everything in my wallet, and most of it I didn't even use. But throughout the years, I've trimmed my wallet down to maybe 3 cards and a couple of bills of money. A lot of gift cards and loyalty cards are available on smartphone apps now, and there's really no reason to carry a thick wallet anymore. And that's one of the reasons why I designed this wallet or this money clip. If you have access to a 3D printer, you can print a few of them really quick in different colors, and it's a nice conversation piece when people find out it's actually made with a 3D printer. Anyways, I'll have links to the 3D STL files on Thingiverse, and like always, comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.